Now here's a funny one. A lot of people say, what if I have to scratch my nose, or if I feel a tickle in my throat and I need to cough? Maybe I need to move, readjust myself, or something like that during the hypnotherapy portion of the session. First off, let me say, you are totally free to move around. If you need to scratch an itch, cough, readjust yourself, whatever you need to do is perfectly fine. It will not interrupt the hypnosis in any way whatsoever. In fact, it often has a tendency to make you go even deeper once you've finished doing that action. Loud noises, sounds around you, no problem either. Again, those are incorporated into the session and have a tendency just to make you go that little bit deeper. Some people even say that the surrounding sounds slowly begin to fade away, and they don't even notice them after a while.